Welcome to 10 Facts About, where we bring you fascinating facts. Today we're diving into a question that has puzzled many. Why is the sky blue? Have you ever looked up and wondered why the sky is blue? Well, it all comes down to something called Rayleigh scattering. When sunlight enters our atmosphere, it collides with molecules and small particles in the air. This scattering causes the shorter blue wavelengths of light to spread out in all directions, making the sky appear blue to our eyes. But wait, there's more. The sky can change colors depending on the time of day. During sunrise and sunset, the sky can appear red or orange because the light has to pass through more of the Earth's atmosphere, scattering the shorter blue wavelengths and leaving the longer red wavelengths to dominate. Did you know that on other planets, the sky can be different colors? For example, Mars has a pinkish sky due to its dusty atmosphere. Imagine that. And there you have it. Under 2 minutes, you've learned why the sky is blue. If you enjoyed this quick science fact, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more bite-sized knowledge. Until next time, keep looking up and stay curious.